This formula is used in topic compound interest and annuity. Case study 1. Millie's father has left her an inheritance of 50,000 ringgit. She's thinking of investing the whole amount. She has conducted investment surveys for 2 schemes. The scheme details are listed below. Alpha scheme, interest rate charge 5.2% compounded every 4 months. Gamma scheme, interest rate charge 5.3% compounded semi-annually. Question A. Determine the total interest earned on each scheme if she wants to invest for 8 years. There are 2 option schemes in this question, so we need to solve one by one. First of all, we solve alpha scheme to find the total interest earned. We need to extract the information given, where principal is 50,000 ringgit, the term is 8 years, also compounded every 4 months, which is M equal to 3 with 5.2% or 0.052 interest rate. Hence, we need to find S first using S equal to P multiplied with 1 plus I power of N. This is because to find interest, we need S. After that, we need to find I and N to put in this formula. To find I, we can use I equal to K divided by M, and this is the answer for I. Also, to find N, we can use N equal to M multiplied with T, and this is answer. After all information we get, we can change and put in the formula, which S equal to 50,000 ringgit multiplied with 1 plus 13 over 750 power of 24. And we get 75,524 ringgit 63 cents. So, we can find interest earned using this formula. Capital I equal to 75,524 ringgit 63 cent minus with 50,000 ringgit and get 25,524 ringgit 63 cent. Move to second scheme, which is gamma scheme. Same, we need to extract information given. P equal to 50,000 ringgit, T equal to 8 years, M equal to 2, and K equal to 5.3% of 0.053. By using the same formula, S equal to 50,000 ringgit multiplied with 1 plus 53 over 2,000 power of 16. So, S equal to 75,982 ringgit 44 cents. All of that, we can calculate the interest earned like alpha scheme. Capital I equal to 75,982 ringgit 44 cents minus 50,000 ringgit, and we get 25,982 ringgit 44 cents. Question B. Advise Millie which scheme she should choose based on your answer in A and give your reason. The answer is, based on the analysis in A, I would recommend to Millie to choose gamma scheme. This is because it gains more interest compared to alpha scheme. Answer the following question C depending on the bank you selected in B. Question C. After 6 years, the interest rate changed to 6% compounded quarterly. Find the amount of the investment at the end of 8 years and calculate the total interest earned. First of all, to answer this question, we need to solve the amount on first 6 years. We extract the information given. The investment for 6 years, which means you can get period by N equal 2 multiply 6, we get 12 period. So, we can use the formula S equal P multiplied with 1 plus I power of N, and we put the number in formula. S equal to 68,434 ringgit 87 cents. After that, we gonna calculate the rest of investment is 2 year and using information that have been changed. N equal 4 multiplied by 2 and using the same formula but use P new that we calculate S before. S equal to 77,091 ringgit 37 cents. Then we can calculate total interest earned by using formula I equal S minus P, which 77,091 ringgit 37 cents minus 50,000 ringgit, and we get this.
Case study 2. The question is, Alicia's grandparents set aside 8,000 for her college fund when she was born. The money will be invested for the next 18 years until Alicia starts college. The fund will be withdrawn in equal semi-annual installments over the 4 years that Alicia anticipates finishing college. The college investment fund pays 5.5% interest compounded monthly. So, how much money can Alicia withdraw from the account every 6 months while she is in college? First of all, we have to identify all the data. So, we can find I and N. We use formula S equal to P multiplied with 1 plus I power of N. So, we need to fill in all the data from the statement to the formula. So, we can get RM 21293.98. So then, we can calculate how much money Alicia can withdraw from the account every 6 months while she is in college. First of all, we have to identify all the new data so we can find a new I and N. We use formula A equal to R multiplied with 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of negative N over I. So we need to fill in all the data from the statement to the formula. So we can get R equal to RM2994.51.
Question 2b. After Alicia graduates from college and starts a job, she plans to buy a condominium that costs RM 480,000. She then made a 15% down payment and financed the balance through a bank for 30 years with an interest rate of 3.8% compounded monthly. Question 1. Calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge that Alicia made to settle the loan. First, we need to search down payment and the balance need to calculate. Then we extract the information given in the question. For answer this question, we need to use this formula. A equal to R multiply 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of negative n over I. So we put the number into this formula, which is 480,000 equal to R multiply 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 19 over 6000 close bracket power of minus 360 over 19 over 6000, and we get RM 1901.11. Lastly, we need to calculate the interest. We use this formula I equal to n multiply R minus A. So we put the number into the formula and the answer is RM276399.60.
Next question. If she missed her first 6 monthly payments, how much should she pay on her 7th payment to settle all outstanding arrears? To answer this question, the interest rate is 3.8% or 0.038, which is converted to a monthly interest rate I equals 0.038 over 12 and changed to 19 over 6,000. The total payment missed is N equals 7. The monthly payment amount is R equal 1,901 ringgit and 11 cents. To solve this problem, we are using formula S equal R multiply 1 plus I power of N minus 1 over I. So, we put the number to this formula, which is S equal 1901.11 multiply 1 plus 19 over 6,000 power of 7 minus 1 over 19 over 6,000. The answer is 13,434 ringgit 18 cents to settle all her outstanding arrears by 7 payment. Next question. Immediately after paying for 10 years, Alicia wants to settle the loan in full. How much is the amount that she needs to be paid and how much interest is paid? M is 12. The N is 360 minus 120 equal to 240 month. The monthly payment is 1,901 ringgit 11 cent. To answer this question, we're using formula A equal R multiply 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative N over I, which is A equal 1901.11 multiply 1 minus 1 plus 19 over 6,000 power of negative 240 over 14 over 6,000. The answer is 319,249.40. Next, we calculate the total interest paid using this formula. I equal NR minus A. After substitute the values, 240 multiply 1901.11 minus 319,249.40. The total interest paid is 137017.